Kakanta tayo guys ng Tourist into College. So, isubscribe nyo ako kung nagandahan kayo. I'm Tourist into College and I'm 3 lectures behind. To this guy, let's name him Colin. He says he wants to be mine, but he doesn't really sit with me quite right. Because he doesn't really like the things I like. Bye! Thank you for watching! Subscribe to my YouTube channel first. Bye!